What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So getting straight into this video, I wanted to show you all how I style my hair every day doing finger coils since I've gotten my big chop 2020. So here I'm just applying my Argan Oil Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. I'm combing the leave-in conditioner through just to make sure that I get it on every hair strand. And I also want to mention that I am starting off on clean, freshly washed hair. I can say for myself that when my hair is clean, my coils come out looking amazing and it lasts a lot longer. So now I'm moisturizing my hair with the Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream. This moisturizer smells so good. It smells like pineapples and coconut mixed together. It works really well with moisturizing my hair. It's lightweight, and as you can see, the curls are starting to come through a little bit, so I really like using this conditioner. So to seal in the moisture, I'm using Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm applying this all over my hair and into my scalp, giving myself a little scalp massage. Jamaican black castor oil helps my hair feel really moisturized, soft. My hair follicles feel a lot stronger, and it adds a nice shine to my hair. So now I'm going to start off with parting my hair. This part is optional. You can definitely get away with achieving a really cute finger coiled hairstyle without parting it, but I love the way a deep side part looks on me. Now, it's up to you if you want to do your edges before you finger coil or once your hair is completely dry. I prefer to work with my edges while my hair is a little bit wet. I feel like they lay a lot better, but it's up to you. And for my edges, I'm using good old Ecco Styler Gel. My hair was starting to dry up really fast, so I'm just spraying some water all over my hair. And now getting into finger coiling. So I like to start in the front of my hair, and I do have Ecco Styler Gel handy just to give each coil some hold. So I'm going to take a small to medium sized section and wrap it around my fingers maybe about 2 to 3 times, and there you have a coil. I am using my rat tail comb on some of the sections just to help give me a smooth, defined coil, and it'll also help minimize some of the frizz that might happen during the drying process. I'm making medium to small size sections because as each day goes by, I like to make my hair a lot fuller by separating each coil. This hairstyle can last me about 4 to 5 days, so it does take a while to do the finger coils all over my head, but it's well worth it being that it can last me 4 to 5 days. Low maintenance. I love low maintenance. So here is what my hair is looking like done, probably about 80% dry. And I try not to touch my hair when it's in its drying process just because it might bring on those little frizzies. Once my hair was completely dried, I wanted to go back in and just add some volume to the front of my hair. Nothing too crazy, being that this is only day one and I want this hairstyle to last me as long as possible without getting too frizzy. So I went back in with my Jamaican black castor oil and just took a few coils and just separated them. What you think? What you think? Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. And of course, I will be back with another video. Peace out, guys.